What is log? Okay, well, what is log? So, here's an example of logarithm. Example. Let's say you take a log. So here's a standard form of log. Standard form will be log base b of a. Well, let's do a of b, sure. A of b. This equal to a to the what power equal b. So let's say you have log base 2 of 4. This will be a will be 2 to the what power, so right here, it's equal to b, which is 4. Well, this is pretty easy because you know 2 to the second power equal 4, and well, 2 to the 2, so x equal 2, and this question mark is the answer. So basically, log 2 of 4 is 2. So you're trying to find what's power. What's power of a equal b? Okay, very simple. Let's say you have log 2 of 16. This will equal to 2 to the what power? So x equals 16. 2 to the 2 is 4, 2 to the 3 is 8, and 2 to the 4th is 16. So as you can see, x is equal to 16. So yes, the answer, oh, my bad, 4. So the answer is 4. 2 to the 4th is 16. It's very simple, right? I mean, not really hard. That's what basically what log is. But we're gonna make it a bit hard. Log base -3 of 1/9. So this basically equal to -3 to the what power equal 1/9. Well, the answer is, sorry, I didn't mean to put that negative. There we go. Well, the answer is, you guessed it, it is -2. So x is equal to -2. Why? 3 to the -2. Well, here's the formula how to deal with negative exponent. So 3 to the negative something, this equal to 1/3 to the positive something. So basically you bring this down. So it'll be 1/3 to the positive, which is 1/3 squared, which is 9. And you see, that's the answer. So yeah. But now, you're gonna make it more challenging. What about 3 raised to the log 3 of 7? Now, 3 to the what equals 7? It's gonna be decimal number, right? It's gonna be hard. You gotta use a calculator, of course. But if the base right here, it raised to the log of the same base like this, it's gonna cancel itself. So this and this cancel, so it'll leave you the answer with 7. That's it. So basically, 3 to the what equals 7. So 3 to the what? So x, so what is x, right? So x is equal to 7. Technically, x equal to something equals 7. Then you raise to 3 again, just the same thing. Now, let me give you an example. 3 to the x equals 7, right? Let's say let's say we solve this 4. Well, technically it's not 4, but I'm just doing some randomly. So x equals 4. So it'll be 3 to the 4th. As you can see, this and this are the same thing. So that's why it cancel each other. And 3 to what we should say x is 4, so this is equal to 7. But technically it's not. This is equal to 81. But let's just say equal to 4. See? That's how yeah. What about log of 100? Now, there's no base, right? If you see no base, this means base 10. So basically, this is 10. So it's 10 to the what power equal 100? Well, it's 2, right? Very simple. So this equals 2. Okay? That's a lot of rule in exponential. I mean, logarithm. But let's say log base 2 of 4 squared. Now, you can calculate this easily and just do 2 to the what? 4 squared 16. 2 to the what? Equals 16. 4, right? Very simple. Now, you can do this way, or you can do this way. When you see an exponent in the base, you can bring this exponent to the front. So this becomes 2 times log base 2 of 4. And 2 to the 4th, 2 to the what equal 4th, which is 2. And 2 times 2, which is 4. As you can see, this and this are the same thing. Yeah, basically that's it. Now let's do an equation. Let's say log of 2. Now we do 2 a lot. Let's do 4 of x to the 3rd equal 64. How do we do this? Well, we gotta find x, right? Yes. So let's bring this 3 first. So this become much easier, right? So basically, what you're saying is 4 to the what equal x, and well, now let's not bring the 3 first. You can do. Let's raise. Oh my God. This is too big. Let's do the 2. Let's say 4. Well, let's raise to the 4 for both sides, right? Because 4 and 4 cancel. Remember the trick? Yeah, I don't know why I say 64. Because 4 to the 64 will be a really big number. This and this cancel, right? So basically, you get x cubed equal to 4 squared, which is 16, and the cube root of 16. Plus on my side, the cube root of 16 is some decimal, but yeah. Let's just say the cube root of 16. That's it. You plug this in, be right. Plug this in. Cube root, cancel. 4 to the 2nd power right here. 16. Yeah. What about nah, let me make more interesting equation. We can keep this way. I'll make it harder next time. Well, let's bring. Well, if you do the raise to 3 first, don't really matter. But let's bring the 2 in the front first. So as you see, this and this cancel. That's why I did that. It's very simple. So it become log base 3 x equal 1.